Who Needs Rain? Written by Anthony Curran. Illustrated by Katya Longi. Focus question. Who needs rain, and why is rain important? Andy wanted to play outside. Rain kept him inside for 3 days in a row. Who needs rain? Wondered Andy before he went to bed. Andy dreamed about a cloud. Who needs rain? Laughed the cloud. Farmers need rain to grow their crops, the cloud said. Fish need rain to keep rivers and lakes full, the cloud said. Other animals need rain to have water to drink, the cloud said. Firefighters need rain to help put out forest fires, the cloud said. Dams need rain to make power, the cloud said. Ships need rain to move goods over the water, the cloud said. Wake up, called Andy's mom. The sun is finally out, she said. That's great. But we need rain too, said Andy. Connections, writing and art. What is another reason rain is important? Draw a picture and write about it. Science. What is the water cycle? Why is rain an important part of this cycle? Share your ideas with a partner.